Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I recently received this little what is it called? Little purse, coin purse, put together from Gina Supnet, and she sent it to me for my birthday. Thank you, Gina. So what I'm going to do is assemble it, and I don't necessarily know where everything goes, but I'm going to put it together the way I'm assuming she wants me to put it together. But yeah, let's get into it. So here are some, I believe this is a cut file, but this is what it's called, gift card holder purse. And then she put in these little flowers, the little center. I believe it's going to be like I'm going to put it together like one little flower. And then she also added some Velcro and some bling, and some pearls, some sticky back pearls. So yeah, she had these two pieces. I'm assuming one was the size of a gift card. That's why I put it in there. And I'm not sure what this one will be, but it'll have like a note, I guess. And I'm thinking I'm gonna cut maybe cut a piece of cardstock, decorative cardstock, and add it here just to hide the little slots that are on the purse. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. You know, who knows? So let's just get to it. These are little pieces. I had to figure out where they go. I figured I'd put them on one on the inside, one on the outside, and attach them to the little purse. So let's get into it. Let me grab, here we go, my glue. Oh, and there's also some foam. I hope I'm going to put this thing together correctly. I don't know. But we're going to first start with this little piece and attach it to the purse. This is the little closure. It's a little outline for the closure. So we're just going to take that, and it's like a cute little make and take. Love it. And I really, really appreciate you, Gina, for thinking of me. This is a great idea to put together for birthday gift cards, Christmas gift cards, you know, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go on the inside and add this little piece. Like I said, I don't know exactly how everything's supposed to go or where everything is supposed to go, but I'm just gonna wing it. Wing it, wing it, wing it. I mean, how cute is this thing? Oh my gosh. And I'm also thinking maybe put a happy birthday on there. And Angelica sent me some happy birthday ephemera pieces. That'll be cute on here too. Let's try to do this one on the outside. I think this is really, really cute. I mean, I might as well put it together before I move it out of the way, and then I never put it together. You know what I mean? Like, this will come in really, really handy for birthday card. I just hope I'm doing it right. That's all. Cute. Just lining it up to the outside of the purse. Just making sure everything is all lined up. And then I'll add this one to the inside. I really don't know what the foam part is for. I wish I knew. But I don't know. If any of you ladies have put this thing together, comment down below. But it's a great little handy dandy gift card for birthdays. I'm just gonna stick this in here. And I'm still not sure what to do with this Velcro. Oh, I guess it goes here so you can open it up, right? I'm assuming everything. But this is a nice size Velcro dot. Like that. I'm gonna just put it right in the middle, somewhat in the middle. And add that dot. And just put it in like that. Look at that, how cute. Like a little coin purse is what I want to call it. Very nice. Okay. That is cool, cool, cool. She also gifted a little zip bag. So I guess once it's put together and you want to protect it, just put it in a little clear bag. And let's see. Where did... I had the jemmies here. I don't know where it went. Well, here's one. Here's the... Oh, two. Okay. I'm assuming one is for the flower. Ooh, maybe I lost a pearl somewhere. We'll change it up a little bit. It also came with these little green leaves. And so I'm just going to add this on. So maybe put the flower like that. Right? I think so. Let's put these together. Uh-oh. I like how she included the pearls and everything. So just gonna curl the petals just a little bit, not too much, not too much. Just want a little bit of dimension. I'm gonna curl this too. Super cute. Love this idea, Gina. Are you a cricket lover or a silhouette? Which one are you? I'm gonna put this on and just rotate it a little bit. Let's see. Just to let the petals come up a little. Right? Okay, last one. Just curl this a little. I'm just using my finger. All right. Just like that. Just a little bit of dimension on here. Not a lot. I'm gonna take this and glue this down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on flat. I don't want to, because the stem is a little thin, so right here it's very thin, so I'm just going to glue it down flat. That way it won't get caught on anything and it won't tear. A little bit of glue. Put this on here. Right in the center. Put that aside. And I'm going to attach. That is cute. I think the white part I'm going to use on the back side. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Won't be using the foam. And then add my little flower. I think it's adorable. I'm okay without dimension on this. Okay. I do want to cover the back. I'm not sure how to do that or how I'm going to do that. I don't know. I don't know. I'll tell you that. I will ink my edge. Like so. Just a touch distress ink, spun sugar. Okay. And should glue this down. I don't know. I really don't know what to do with this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Do it anyway. This will be somewhere to write your note. I should have done that before I put the flower, but that's okay. That's okay. Wow, G, this is a really cute idea. And then there's your little coin purse. Like any do-it-yourself project, there's always some leftover parts. I don't know how to assemble this, but thank you for the foam. I will keep that. Thank you for my pearl. I would keep that. And then this is what it will look like, according to me. Really simple, really cute, and very, very quick to put together. Wow. Nice. And then put it in your little, well, my little baggie to keep it protected for now. And just what a beautiful project. Except I got all the glue all over it, I think. All right, thanks guys for watching, and if you guys are new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. It's free to join the little crafty family, and then while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being here, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.